Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I'm sure you will be fine. Those students who are running short of lexical resources should stay here. Watch this video till the end in order to improve your vocabulary in a short span of time. These words will enable you to write and speak in a fluent manner without any hesitation. If you find this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe my channel for more videos relevant to IELTS and grammar. It's your duty to practice on these words. Use these words in your own sentences for the sake of higher band. The first word which I'm going to share with you is amazing. So you can replace the word amazing with incredible, unbelievable, improbable, fabulous, wonderful, astonishing, and extraordinary. Anger, enrage, infuriate, inflame, madden. Angry, furious, enraged, indignant, inflamed. Answer, reply, respond, retort, acknowledge. Ask, question, demand, request, expect, inquire, interrogate, examine. Awful, dreadful, terrible, bad, poor, unpleasant. Bad, immoral, contaminated, harmful, injurious, unfavorable, defective. Beautiful, attractive, gorgeous, splendid, magnificent, exquisite, stunning, and glorious. Begin, initiate, commence, inaugurate, originate. Big, colossal, enormous, huge, immense, gigantic, and vast. Brave, fearless, dauntless, plucky, daring, heroic, and gallant. Break, fracture, rupture, shatter, smash, and demolish. Bright, gleaming, brilliant, sparkling, radiant, colorful, and luminous. Calm, serene, composed, collected, unruffled, and tranquil. Come, approach, near, arrive, and reach. Cool, cold, frosty, wintry, icy, and frigid. Crooked, bent, twisted, hooked, and zigzag. Cry, shout, yell, scream, and roar. Cut, prick, slice, chop, crop, and reduce. Dangerous, perilous, hazardous, risky, and unsafe. Dark, gloomy, dim, dusky, shaded, sunless, and black. Decide, determine, settle, choose, and resolve. Definite, certain, sure, positive, clear, distinct, and obvious. Delicious, appetizing, luscious, delightful, enjoyable, exquisite. Describe, portray, picture, narrate, relate, recount, and represent. Destroy, ruin, demolish, and extinguish. Difference, contrast, dissimilarity, and incompatibility. Do, enact, conclude, effect, accomplish, achieve, and attain. Dull, boring, uninteresting, unimaginative, lifeless, insensible, listless, and expressionless. Eager, keen, enthusiastic, involved, and interested. End, finish, terminate, conclude, and close. Enjoy, appreciate, luxuriate in, bask in, relish, and like. Explain, elaborate, clarify, define, and justify. fair, impartial, unbiased, objective, and honest. Fall, drop, descend, plunge, topple, and tumble. False, fake, fraudulent, untrue, unfounded, deceptive, and groundless. Famous, well-known, renowned, celebrated, famed, and eminent. Fast, quick, rapid, speedy, swiftly, rapidly, and quickly. Fat, beefy, plump, full, chubby, chunky, and bulky. Fear, terror, alarm, anxiety, horror, panic, and apprehension. Fly, soar, flit, wing, sail, and cruise. Funny, humorous, amusing, comical, laughable, and silly. Get, obtain, secure, fetch, accumulate, and embrace. Go, depart, disappear, move, travel, and proceed. Go, good, suitable, capable, pleasant, and beneficial. Great, distinguished, remarkable, considerable, and powerful. Gross, improper, indecent, extreme, shameful, and obscene. Happy, pleased, satisfied, delighted, elated, ecstatic, gratified, and overjoyed. Hate, detest, abhor, disfavor, dislike, and disapprove. Have, hold, contain, acquire, maintain, believe, occupy. Help, support, encourage, attend, benefit, and befriend. Hide, conceal, cover, screen, and veil. Hurry, speed, race, accelerate, and bustle. Hurt, damage, harm, wound, distress, and pain. Idea, concept, conception, notion, opinion, plan, and belief. Important, vital, critical, indispensable, valuable, essential, significant, and substantive. Interesting, fascinating, engaging, attractive, captivating, enchanting, bewitching, appealing. Keep, hold, preserve, maintain, sustain, and support. Kill, slay, execute, assassinate, murder, destroy, cancel, and abolish. Lazy, indolent, inactive, sluggish. Little, tiny, small, dinky, and slight. Look, see, glance, watch, peep, examine, witness, sight, and notice. Love, admire, esteem, worship, appreciate. Make, originate, invent, construct, fabricate, manufacture, and produce. Mark, label, tag, imprint, notice, and designate. Mischievous, playful, naughty, and sportive. Move, go, creep, crawl, and walk. Moody, temperamental, changeable, short-tempered. Neat, clean, orderly, tidy, well-organized, and shapely. So, neat, clean, orderly, tidy, well-organized, and shapely. New, unique, original, unusual, modern, current, and recent. Old, ancient, aged, used, and old-fashioned. Part, portion, share, piece, section, and fragment. Place, space, area, region, location, residence, and dwelling. Plan, design, diagram, procedure, arrangement, and intention. Popular, approved, accepted, favorite, celebrated, and common. development, evolution and progress. Put, establish, assign, keep, save and build. Quiet, silent, soundless, mute, tranquil, peaceful. You can also use the word serene. Right, accurate, honest, upright, lawful, moral and proper. Run, speed, hurry, hasten, sprint and escape. Say and tell, inform, notify, advise, recount, narrate and explain. Scared, alarmed, terrified, fearful, insecure, timid, and apprehensive. Show, display, exhibit, indicate and demonstrate. Slow, gradual, leisurely, behind and tedious. Stop, stay, pause, discontinue, conclude and end. Story, legend, account, narrative and record. Strange, peculiar, unusual, unfamiliar, curious, unique and irregular. Take, seize, grasp, capture, acquire, occupy and consume. Tell, expose, inform, advise, explain and declare. Think, deem, believe and consider. Trouble, distress, anxiety, difficulty and inconvenience. True, accurate, right, genuine, defendable and sincere. Ugly, frightful, shocking and unpleasant. Unhappy, uncomfortable, heartbroken, sorrowful, depressed and discouraged. Use, employ, utilize, exhaust, spend and consume. Wrong, incorrect, inaccurate, mistaken, improper, unsuitable. Modern, contemporary and sophisticated. Teachers, tutors, educators and instructors. Youngster, adolescent, teenager, government, administration and higher authority. So these were the possible words which I have shared. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, I encourage you to subscribe my channel for more videos relevant to IELTS and grammar. Thank you for watching.